Casarotto, the artistic director of BMotion Dance Festival, Opera Estate. Could you briefly introduce us to this new edition of the festival?
Yes. It will be 4 days, very intensive, with lots of encounters, meetings, exchanges, and wonderful dances. We will start with some ateliers promoted by the European Dance House Network. They will focus on building a dance house from the philosophical and architectural point of view, and then dance events every day from 2:30 in the afternoon until late night, with artists coming from all over Europe and Australia. Lots of educational programs, research, and an opportunity for people to meet, to exchange, and to develop new ideas together.
And what about the EDN project? What is it?
Yes, for 2 days we're hosting what we call the EDN Atelier Building a Dance House. So there will be directors of dance houses together with architects and other artists and directors of dance organizations that will share together ideas, and they will talk about the values that inspire the building of a dance house, the way we cooperate together, the way spaces influence or are influenced by dance, and the sustainability of ideas, projects, and dance houses.
Okay, and what about the dancer? How will they interact with the territory and with the public spaces?
Yes, Bassano will be inhabited by dance performances. We have events taking place in the ordinary venues for dance, but also in extraordinary spaces like the main square, Piazza Libertà, the consecrated church, Chiesetta dell'Angelo, and some of them will involve our inhabitants, our local dancers, that will be led professionally by choreographers.
Thank you very much.